has got many benefits. First of all, it's an awareness. That's the one thing.
Right.
Second thing, as far as the students are concerned, for them it's how to clean keep the environment clean.
Right.
So social responsibility. Say they will learn how to grow up in the future. Secondly, as you can see, we are just collecting all over. I mean, lots of garbage, lots of this is there.
Right.
So we're cleaning all this, and actually, this type of programs should be held at least once a month.
Once a month.
Once a month.
Yeah.
Not only because we want to clean. Yes, we want to clean, but to keep the awareness, to bring the civic sense into the people's minds, so they can be more responsible in the future, and we will have a clean and nice environment. So you can see all at the present what kind of sicknesses we get. What is because of that? All the pollution, all the this garbage which is lying here. You see all kinds of tourists are coming out here.
Right.
Oh, they are also responsible for it. I'm not saying they are not responsible, but so we want our image of Goa to be clean.
Clean. Right.
That is the main motive of this drive. Thank
Okay.
you.
And also, sir, this is being a touristic place, so here we visit domestic as well as international tourists.
Yes.
So, what message you want to pass to them?
We want to pass a message for everyone that Goa is nice, clean and safe tourist destination for everybody. I mean, there has been lots of, as you are from the media, you know yourself, lots of fake propaganda about Goa.
Exactly.
So we want to have the image for the international as well as for the domestic tourism. Goa is clean and safe destination for each and everybody.
Okay, thank you very much, sir, for organizing this type of program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
इनिशिएटीव बरो आसा
Okay.
एक्सिस बँकेचो अवेरनेस एका सायडीन जाता लोकांक हें बरें पडटा म्हणजे इट्स गूड फॉर द एनवायरमेंट
Right. आणि
द स्टुडंट्स आर बीन एड्युकेटेड रिगार्डिंग क्लिनलीनेस द
Okay.
एनवायरमेंट एट द बीच.
Students, your attention here. We have a very eminent personality among us today. We know him very well. He is none other than the
This effort from Axis Bank, okay, is a small, initiative which helps us, okay, to be a part of the environment, to ensure that our marine life is clean, to ensure that, okay, we have a clean environment for we as Goans as well as for the tourists whoever comes to this place. I thank you all once again, and I think so. This is this initiative. We will go ahead and do it year after year to ensure our bit of social responsibility towards this. Thank you very much, all of you once again. Thank you for coming here. Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Sameer, for these inspiring words. We are really thrilled to hear those words. We are honored to have a very eminent personality among us as chief guest. Can we put our hands together once again to welcome the MLA of Kalangur constituency, Sir Michael, and I will request our Sameer sir to felicitate him. Mr. Michael Lobo is renowned for his commitment to community development and environmental conservation. His support highlights the importance of collaborative efforts between the government and the community in addressing environmental issues. So over to you. We all here are, waiting to hear some inspiring words from you.
A very good morning to all the students who are present over here. Good morning. I'm very touched today, and the way you have come over here in large numbers. A program organized by Axis Bank in collaboration with Lions Club of Kalangut and in association with Don Bosco High School and Vidya Niketan High School. And all you students who are over here are come with a commitment to keep the surroundings clean. It's not only the beach. We have our own manager of and principal of Don Bosco, Sir Savio. Good morning to you. All the other dignitaries who are present on the days, all the Axis Bank managers, area managers, all the other dignitaries who are present of Lions Club. The commitment which is shown by Lions Club and Axis Bank by cultivating it in the minds of the students, the younger generation, the just coming up generation now, they are the people who are the torch bearers, who will show the way even to their parents. And beyond that, that is the road area where you are staying should be kept clean. This initiative was started by Mahatma Gandhi in 1930s, and now our Prime Minister Narendra Ji Modi under Swachh Bharat Mission is taking it forward. And he has said that if you want to make this nation great, then first of all, you will have to clean this nation. Keeping this nation clean, keeping this nation green, planting more trees, taking care of the entire earth that is with us. First of all, let us take care of our own village. First of all, let us take care where you are staying, next to your neighborhood. In your garden, you plant trees. This is the message which is given by our Prime Minister Narendra Ji Modi. On World Environment Day, he planted a sapling. And what he said, that if everyone starts planting saplings, this nation of ours will become more greener. It is already green, but if you want to make it more greener, breathe in good air, keep the environment which is for the next generation. Now you are growing up and your next generation will start. They should have a cleaner and a greener India. We should see that this world which was given to us by our forefathers, our grandparents kept it for us, our parents have kept it for us, green and clean, we should give it to the next. But we have seen a lot of people littering, you have seen so much of waste you have collected. This is done by whom? We. It is not just brought by the sea over here. Edo allo Doriya ha fullan, Doriya no myo adu na inga. Kuni alla? Sugli students ukida. तुमका चा देऊ ना सॉरी ब्रेकफास्ट केला सगळ्यांनी चड बेगीन येयलायस करूंक ना हो मेव कोणी तयार केला ट्युरिस्ट जे येयल्ले पळय ते हिंगा तेणी तयार केला थोड्यो बाटल्यो दिसता सोऱ्याच्यो बियरीच्यो बाटल्यो दिसता and it is our duty to correct them. You go to any other nation, you go to any other country, over here in India, we will find India the most cleanest country in the world, and that should be our mission. What should be the mission of the children over here, of all the students? What is the mission? Why are you here? To see that you bring the change to make India clean. Means you are here to pick up the trash, put it in the bag, and you send a message to the other students, keep India clean, keep Goa clean. What is the mission? Only the girls are answering, the boys are not. The mission is to keep our Goa clean, that we are concerned about the environment, we are concerned about the beach being clean, The tourists should not litter. The tourists should not throw the trash on the beach. Please keep it clean. We have dustbins around. If you keep it clean and if you send a message all over India, there will be some change and they will keep their surroundings, they will keep their classrooms, they will keep their surroundings of the school very, very clean. They themselves will clean it. It happens internationally in other schools. There are no cleaners over there. The children themselves clean their classrooms, the washrooms, the surrounding areas, the garden, everything is maintained by the kids. This is what should start in India, and this is just the beginning. I thank Axis Bank and all the other the associates, especially the schools, the management, and also Lions Club for having this event and having this special drive to see that the kids cultivate it in them that they should keep our areas clean, beach clean, everything clean, because this is what the change, what we are looking at, what India is looking at, our Prime Minister is looking at, and the change will come very soon. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Also your experiences and dedication for this environment. We can see, and surely under your leadership, all these students, everybody will be marching towards a greener future. Thank you once again. Next we have...
So this is, as our dynamic MLA said, a message should go that we want the cleanness. So first we should start from the home and then the neighborhood, obviously the students from the school and other neighborhood. And if we pass on a message, this is what we want, this is how it should be. And obviously as our mission of clean India will get success. The reason of getting students involved into this, because they are the upcoming, they are the parts of our society. So once they learn it, they will pass it on to the next generations. So this is the whole motto of this cleaning drive, and I really request our dynamic MLA that it should at least happen once in a month. We are there no matter what. Whenever you need us, we will be there. But doesn't matter we clean or we don't clean. But a message should go, no, you're coming here, you're welcome here. But we want our Goa to be clean. So I want this promise from sir, at least an effort for once a month. Yeah? Thank you once again for giving us this chance to be the partner of this. I thank you once again, the Axis Bank, all the dignitaries over here, so giving us a chance to be part of this one. Thank you very much.
Nature. Because we are here to save the nature. Unfortunately, we have to save nature, but the nature saves us all the time, whether universally or internally. And Axis Bank has taken a great initiative to save the environment in presence of great dignitaries like our MLA, and last year in presence of our Honorable Chief Minister, Pramod Sawant. I was very much lucky to attend even all these programs. And now, when we came here, Stephanie was telling that this place, it's really very pathetic to see. But now there is a great transformation done by all of you students and some gentlemen over here with the initiative of Axis Bank. And not only that, Axis Bank has done a communication in terms of organizing, because I'm in the group. So, and also in terms of arranging all these people with a smart calculation on how to remove the trash. See, we have so many in front of us, and today you all have created a record of collecting 1,253 kilos, that is 1.253 kilos, and I declare it as an adjudicator who verified it. Okay, so congratulations to all of you, and it happens in the constituency of our Honorable MLA. So it's a wonderful thing that it's a great initiative by all of you. And one more thing I would like to tell is that, after you collect all these things, what next? What transformation would you going to do? Because this will become a trash. Certain things will be recyclable. But in front of, in the presence of our MLA, there is a beautiful project of transforming the non-recyclable, any type of plastics, to recyclable fertilizers and infrastructural things. And there is somebody who has innovated it. And I think like Axis Bank should take an initiative, and next time you should do incineration, collecting most of the things in different places where the facilities available. And my support and advice is always there with you. Okay, so there is a lot of scope that Axis Bank can do something for the society and find a great solution that plastic is not going to be a threat, it's going to be a resource. It's going to be a raw material for a transformative and something which can, help the nature to survive and thrive. With these words, I thank all of you for giving me an opportunity, and it's a great blessing. Thank you.